Did you know that your saliva comes out of your mouth at speeds of up to 50 miles an hour when you cough and can spread as far as 20 feet? The viruses in your saliva will land on surfaces or even stay in the air. These viruses can survive as long as 2 hours when they are airborne and even longer when they're on solid surfaces. It is important to protect yourself by wiping down surfaces, wearing a mask, and covering your mouth with the inside of your elbow when you cough or sneeze to prevent the spread of the virus.